Welcome to Kentucky Tennessee Living's restoration of a 100-year-old coal camp house. While we are keeping our exact location a basic secret for safety reasons, other than from our family and friends, we can say that this house was a Consolidation Coal Company house built sometime between 1911 and 1924. We begin this video with a quick run-through of what was in the kitchen before we started our work. While the condition was disheartening, my mother and I could see potential and hope. After leaving the house, we immediately set to work to plan on how the kitchen would function. In today's video, we have sped up our work to 5 times the recorded speed. The entire video covers about 3 to 4 days' work. While the first layer of primer looked awesome when it went on the wall, the next day it had lightened significantly, and it almost looked like that we had not touched the walls at all. The cleaner we used for the kitchen, again, we are not sponsored, was totally awesome, and after it had dried, we used bleach to sanitize the cabinets. I think we went through 4 gallons of the stuff just cleaning the kitchen area. In total, the paint count was 2 gallons of primer, 2 gallons of ceiling paint, 2 gallons of Dust Bunny by Glidden. This ceiling took 3 layers of paint, but the walls ended up with 2 layers of primer and 4 layers of Dust Bunny. You will see me later in the video holding up pieces of paper against the cabinets. These were paint chips, and I was trying to decide upon a color. Dust Bunny is in the greige family of colors, which I would find out later that the color scheme I have chosen is among the top 5 for 2025 by interior designers. The butcher block countertops we would later install are in the top 10 chosen by interior designers for 2025. This was not done on purpose, but I am happy to see that I am on trend this year. Our countertops were not ordered. We designed them ourselves using unfinished red oak flooring. We used butcher block food grade polyurethane for the finish. So, hang on. Wasn't there black mold in places in the kitchen? Well, as it turns out, 2 of the places ended up being black soot. We were able to safely remove those spots using a degreaser. There was one spot under the sink that we suspected as being black mold, and we treated the area accordingly. After the area was treated, we removed the suspected sheetrock and replaced it after the area was treated again. It is far better to be safe than sorry in these cases. That is why you see us wearing masks until the area was treated twice. In a later video, I will go over how we rebuilt the cabinets and built countertops. All of our materials, from the floor to the ceiling, would end up costing us less than $1,000 total. As we go along in the videos, I will tell you some of the tips that we do wish that we had known before we started the project. It would have saved us a month in back-breaking work. We are not professionals, and we are not for hire. This kitchen was mainly accomplished by myself, my mother, and my son. My brother helped with the countertops, and my ex-husband laid the kitchen vinyl. We want to thank everyone who has helped us in this major task. We also want to thank Bobby Fleming, Heather Clevenger, Nancy Boggs, Red Oak Construction Company, Lowe's, and Walmart for their help with everything we needed. Once again, our video is not sponsored. However, my son is wearing an anniversary shirt from Walmart because he worked there for a while this year. We are not advertising for them. I just realized the shirt was worn months later, and I do not have a way to blur it out with my current program. Also, the dog that you see in the video was our beloved Rebecca Ruth, also known as Becky. She was a Shepsky, half German Shepherd, half Siberian Husky. We lost her 6 weeks ago to an unknown illness. Even her vet did not know what went wrong. Becky was 5 years old at her passing. We miss you, sweet Wolfie. May you be running around playing ball and getting lots and lots of homemade turkey meatballs for treats. We love you. We have before and after photos at the end of this video. Kentucky Tennessee Living would like to thank you for watching our video series on the restoration of a 100-year-old coal camp house. Be sure to hit the like and the bell buttons, as the more likes we receive, the more that YouTube will share our videos with others. Again, we thank you for watching while we discover the mysteries in Appalachian history.